Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at how to format your image for publication on nextdaynews.org. So we're going to prepare whatever image you have, whether it's a photograph or it could be a graphic of some kind, a picture downloaded from the web, whatever it is. You need to know how to format it so that it's going to be accepted onto the site if you're publishing an article on there. Okay. So we're going to start with this image that I've chosen. First, the most important thing, regardless of what the image is saved at, you're obviously going to have to make some adjustments to it. So we're going to start off by looking at the size. So I'm going to go to Tools, click on Adjust Size, and it will show you the current sizes. It shows us that the current size is 600 pixels wide, 401 pixels high. Excuse me. Now the width and height for the site is 450 wide maximum by 260 high maximum, and these numbers exceed that, so we're going to have to change it. First thing we have to do is we have to untick where it says scale proportionately, otherwise the figures won't be changeable. So we change the 600 to 450, and we change the height to 260, and that gives us the ideal measurements for the article. Click OK. That's the new size. So once you've got the size right, the other thing you might want to look at is you might want to add some graphics or maybe some words, which is what we're going to look at now. I'm just going to do this just for an example. If you want to annotate by putting in some words to describe what's there, that's absolutely fine. In this case we're just going to write Palace Gardens, and you can extend that if you wish to, make that bigger or smaller depending on how you want it to look. Made that a bit bigger, and we'll just click that off here. Saved, so we've got that down as Palace Gardens, and we're going to save that. I'm going to save that under a different name. Video test, would call it video test 3. Now what I want to show you is we're going to save this as a JPEG, but other accepted formats are GIF, that's good for graphics, and the other one is PNG, that's good for very high color images. Okay, normally it's best to stick with JPEG if you possibly can, because it's very difficult to go wrong with a JPEG. And always select the very best image you can get. It makes for a bigger file size, but you always end up with a much better finish, a much better picture on the site itself when it publishes. So let's save that. So that's now ready to go on. So I'm going to close that out. We're going to go to Stay News, and this is the one that we're going to be choosing. This is the contributors page where you can put different things on. Okay, let's see. This is obviously based in the UK, and we'll just put this under education. So that's how you select your article sizes. This is where you input the details about the article image. At the moment, as you can see, there's none stored. These are the accepted formats we were talking about earlier: JPG, GIF or PNG. We're going to go with JPG. So we'll choose our file. Video test 3, that's what we called it. There it is there. Choose that. And then we'll save and preview the article page so that we can see what it's going to look like when it opens up on the site, just in case we have to change it. That's how it will look when it's published, and it looks pretty good from here. I don't see any problems with that at all. So anyway, that's all you have to do to prepare an image for publication on the Next Day News website. Okay, thanks for watching.